In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a page view-based event in Google Analytics 4 using the custom event creation area. To get started, log into your Google Analytics dashboard. Then in the bottom left corner, click the admin gear icon. This is where you manage property level settings, including events and conversions. In the admin panel, find the data display section and click events. This page is where you can review existing events and set up new ones based on activity GA4 is already collecting, such as page views. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now click Create Event. On the next screen, click Create again to begin setting up your custom event. For the custom event name, enter a clear name in lowercase, using underscores instead of spaces. For example, if this event is for a thank you page view, you could name it thank_you_page_view. If the page view represents an important conversion action, such as a completed form submission or lead capture, consider using a recommended GA4 event name like generate_lead or sign_up. Using standard names can make your reporting more consistent and easier to understand later. And that's it. You've now started creating a page view-based custom event in Google Analytics 4.